Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Meli. The name of my channel is Meli Love Decor. If this is your first time here, this channel is about home decor, decorating, DIY. I'm here to motivate and show you different ways you can style your home and maybe motivate someone to go ahead and decorate their homes as well. Guys, today I'm going to be decorating my entryway for the spring summer season. I have already wiped down everything. Everything is dust free. I've cleaned, I've mopped, and everything is looking squeaky clean so that we can start decorating. Guys, if this is your first time here, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with a family or a friend. I am trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Please show your support by liking the video and subscribing to the channel if you like what you see. Leave a comment below and tell me what you think. Let's get decorating, guys. And I hope you do enjoy it. Hello guys, I am a black and girl lover. I love the black and gold in my formal living room and formal dining. So like the floral arrangement that I'm using in the entryway, I've already used it in my formal living room during Easter. If you've seen some of my previous videos, I had the same floral arrangement in a different section in my living room. So basically I'm just kind of like moving things around. Some of the floral arrangement that I've used during the Easter season, I'm still gonna use the same one for the spring and summer. I'm going with like a yellow, a soft tone yellow, a little bit of a bright yellow as well in the formal living room with the gold and the black and a little bit of white. And typically my formal living room, the colors that I keep as my base is the gold and the black and a little bit of white, and then whatever accent color that I want to add to it, I just add to it. Like for Valentine, I had it in red. During the Easter season, I had it in yellow, and I'm also gonna keep it in yellow and a pop of green for the spring and summer season. So again, some of the items I've used them in different section in my living room during the Easter season, and I'm just moving them around to different spots in the house. In this area here, guys, I'm gonna be decorating my lantern. Typically people put candles in your lantern. I use my lantern for I style it differently, different ways. I style my lantern in many different ways. Like right now I'm adding some beautiful yellow orchids and flower inside of them. I'm not gonna add candles to it. I'm just gonna add some floral arrangement inside my lantern. So you can use your decor in different ways. You don't have to use it specifically for the reason it was meant to be used. You can use it, with decoration. There's no right or wrong. You can just style things however you like, guys. Remember, I always say your home is your peace and your happy place. Style it and decorate it to your taste and liking. You're the one residing there. You are the one that walk in your house in and out every day. You're the one that has to look at your decor every day. So it doesn't matter what anybody says. If you're happy with it, then enjoy it. It doesn't matter. This white little ball pillow on the bench in the entryway, but I think I decided to change it to black, as you will see in the next clip. And I think I like the black better than the white one. You guys can leave me a comment below and let me know which one you like better, if you like the black or the white one. But I do prefer the black accent one. I think it matches my curtains and all the little black accent that I have there. So you guys tell me what you think.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me. My eyes, I see beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later, dear, for many of us, I promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. It's gonna take some time to get there. I don't care. I'm in for the fight. But I know that beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me.